Your girl AJ is peaced out. So yeah, we have posted a Prangle challenge a while ago, and we forgot to hit the intro. So hit the intro is a what's up? So what's up, people? I'm gonna show you my intro. My intro.